Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a kind of a chit chat, get ready with me. I included hair and makeup today. I straightened my hair, I just washed it, nothing like a good fresh press. So this is the wig that I'm gonna be installing. You guys know that I am a U-part girl at heart. I just find them to be super convenient, easy to maintain, and I don't have to sleep in it if I don't want to. If you're curious about this hair, this is actually from my hairline lace hair collection. I no longer sell the bundles, but if you're interested in getting a custom wig, feel free to email me down below. So just to show you the construction of my wigs, this is a netted adjustable cap, and I have roughly, I think, 8 combs in here. So once this thing is on, it does not move at all, and it also has 2 adjustable straps in there so that you can really secure the back. So yeah, so pretty much, oh, my leave out, I already have that section off, and to anchor my wig down, we're relying on this braid here and then this small braid here, and I have that on both sides. Pretty much I just slide the wig on like that, and then I take my comb and I'm literally just going to slide it in that little braid there, and you see that? It literally looks like a sew-in. So I have another comb here in the back. I'm gonna put it on that. So I got 2 on the side here. Now if I wanted to pull the hair up, I would, of course would have to leave more hair out, but I don't ever really pull my hair up like that. So that comb. And I really love this technique also because it's very low tension, and you can switch these bad boys out. Like I got a curly one, I got my bob, I got my bone straight one. So if next week I want to switch it up, it's just super easy. I've just always loved U-parts. So I pre-straightened my hair prior to the video, and I used the Babyliss titanium flat iron. Also, I always get questions how I blend my natural hair with the wigs, and that is because I relax my leave out. I've always done this. When I first started wearing U-parts, my 4C hair would never blend. So for me, this just allows me to use less heat. I'll put heat on my hair once a week, maybe twice at most. But when I was natural, I found myself putting heat on my hair every day, and then my leave out was literally, there was a time when it was this short, literally. Another tip for your leave out, never flat iron on the highest setting. I always use the lowest. So my flat iron goes up to a 450. I flat iron on a 200, and then I don't do a bone straight. I actually like a little bit of texture in my hair because this hair isn't like super silky. It has a little density to it, so I'm not looking to have that super like silky look, if that makes sense. So moving on to the face, I'm literally just going to do I want to wear makeup, but I don't want to do a full face look because it's still a full, okay, let me just do it. So I will list information down below with links about everything I'm using on my face today. Now I haven't been wearing a whole lot of makeup. I've been having some breakouts due to me re-wearing my mask without cleaning them. Yeah, I'm guilty because, you know, we leave our mask in the car, you know, and I have a cloth mask that I made that I actually rewash. But the mistake was that I would put a little concealer on, and then the makeup would be what would be breaking me out. So I don't even know why I was putting on makeup. You know, it's just, I guess, out of habit. Y'all, I've never been that good at chit chat get ready with me. It's because I be so concentrated on the makeup. I hope the lighting is okay. Can y'all believe after me being on YouTube for 10 years, I still don't know how to work my camera, and I don't know the correct way to position lighting. I've watched hundreds of lighting videos, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, or if I just don't have the right equipment. But I got 2 soft boxes and I'm in front of a window, and I still feel like my lighting isn't where I want it to be. Maybe I'm overthinking it or comparing myself, but we all know that higher quality videos are more enjoyable to watch. So it's definitely been a struggle to film. I had this whole plan of like waiting till I move and get my own girl cave and, you know, have my filming set up. Like I've never been in a place where I had my own filming room with the cute little backgrounds and stuff, and that was the plan. But I said, you know what, no, I'm not gonna keep putting it off. Let's just work with what we got, you know? Because at this point, Jace has taken over the whole apartment. Like, his toys are everywhere. My bed is the only decent area to film. It's the concealer for me. It makes the biggest difference. Just a little cream contour. I wanted to kind of catch you guys up on mommyhood and how that's been going. Jace will be 2 in August. I can't believe it. I'm a little emotional because time has flown, but I'm also thankful that I've been home with him this whole time and I've seen every milestone, you know, everything he's learned, I've seen it. So no complaints there. But I'm also emotional because I know that we will have to put him in daycare soon. He definitely needs to be around other kids and interact. But I'm not sure how that's going to work out with this whole COVID thing. I know a lot of daycares are still closed. I was looking to put him in like a half-day summer program, but most daycares are still closed, and the ones that I have called around to are all fully booked for August. So yeah, we're still trying to work that out. I might have to travel out a little further just to get him into a daycare, so we'll see. I'm also a little excited because I'll have more time to get back to me. I really did not know that, you know, being a stay-at-home mom takes a lot out of you. It takes a lot out of you, and by the end of the day, you feel so depleted that you kind of want to just rest. Like, in my mind, I think I thought I was Superwoman. Wake up, cook, clean, teach, change him, and, you know, like, repeat and then do me at the end of the night. It just, to me, is unrealistic. Trying to use as less product as possible because I'm not going for that super full coverage look, but I want my skin to look just clean and fresh. You know, y'all know that's my favorite look. Just real natural. Mommyhood, honestly, although I complained a little bit about not having time for me, I love it. And the bond that Jace and I have is like no other. His dad definitely gets jealous. But you know what? I would not trade it for the world. Let me put a little more concealer because this little shadow is just, I would not trade it for anything. But one thing I did want to touch on is this whole pressure to have another child. Like, it gets annoying. Like, every time I'm having a conversation, okay, when is baby number 2? When you gonna give Jace a playmate? I'm like, chill out unless you're gonna come over here and help. Like, that's what kills me. I'm like, am I having this child for you or am I having it for me? You know, like, who's to even say I want more kids? Like, I'm still 2 years later adjusting to being a mom. Like, I look at him every day and I'm like, I cannot believe you're mine. I can't believe, like, you came out of me. That's still amazing to me, you know? So it's still an adjustment. I'm not even gonna highlight. I'm just using the same powder all over. This is what I do when I really want to look super, like, just like fresh without looking beat, you know? It's different, like, when you have that just like awakened look versus like, oh, she's beat. Like, this is the look I like when I just want to look polished. And honestly, this has been just my go-to look even when I am going out, because I don't know if it just comes with age, but less is more, you know? Like, I don't even wear lashes every day anymore, honestly. I just double up on the mascara and that's it. Is that being a mom, or is it that just come with age? Y'all let me know. Like, maybe because I just feel so busy and I don't want to sit in the mirror as long as I used to. I try to go for what's quick and simple to do. Y'all, it's this game he plays on his tablet. He has a little Fire HD tablet. And there's this game on there called Endless Alphabet. And it's for ages 4 and up. And he knows how to spell these big words like beautiful and obnoxious. Like, he can match up all the words. So I'm super proud of him. Now, we're still working on speech. He is, he says words here and there, but he's not forming sentences yet, you know? So I've been looking at YouTube videos on just, you know, different little speech therapy techniques and stuff. And I know it'll in his own time, it'll come. I mean, I'm sure once he gets around more kids and stuff, he'll definitely open up a little bit more, but he's really, really smart. And that's it. Really, really quick and simple. I call this like my little 10-minute polish face. You can still see my skin shining through. You can still see my bags under my eyes, but I feel like I look more just put together, you know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick get ready with me. If you want more chit chats like this, just chilling in my room doing makeup, let me know. Bye-bye. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video.